no blue is not in her.
Ladies, today we have a wig that is by Sensational, and it is one of their instant fashion wigs. It's like supposed to be like a 60-second wig that you can just do really quick. The name of this wig is Lisa, and I have it in DRBG, which is a burgundy color. It is curling iron safe up to 350 degrees. Here is the care card and the wig on the model. The back gives you a couple more color options, and it gives you some maintenance details. Here is the wig itself, and as you can see, it kind of comes with a couple layers in the back, comes with a layer to the top. It is a full cap, so you do not get lace or a skin top or anything. And then this is the front of the wig. Here's a view of the inside of the cap. As I mentioned, it doesn't have any lace. It is a full cap wig. You do get adjustable straps in the back. I sped this part up, just wanted to go through a little bit of what I'm doing. This unit is curling iron safe, so you can put a flat iron or curling iron on this. So you could put extra curls in it. But what I wanted to do is just go through with my hands and kind of manipulate it to let you see that you don't necessarily have to use a flat iron on this. So if you do not like to use a curling iron, then you are safe to get this unit. You can just take your fingers and finger comb it or put it in a position. The curls and the thickness of the hair is absolutely wonderful. You can do a lot of things with this hair, and just use freeze spray, and you'll see I'll do that at the end, and that will help you freeze it in place. Although the hair is nice and thick, you may want to wear a black stocking cap underneath this, as you can, depending on how you shape the hair in the back, see through the wig. Okay, this is the finished look for Miss Lisa. And although you can put heat on it, I wanted to not put heat, and I wanted to just use my fingers and kind of style it with my fingers and use some holding spray. Now, generally after I spray it, I would have used my blow dryer to kind of freeze it, but this spray is, you know, great, so I really didn't put the blow dryer on it. So let me give you ladies a 360 of this wig before we get into it, because she is super duper cute. Okay, this is the front, how I styled the front of it. And as you saw, I pretty much just kept messing with it to kind of get it how I wanted. I wanted more of the curls to come to the front of the unit, since that's where more of the volume is. I wanted them to come to the front. So this is the front. This is the side. The back, and I sprayed the back. I always like to spray the bottom and comb it out to make it lay a little bit flatter. And then my hair is up in here, so you may can see that here, I'm not sure. And then here is this side. Okay, cons of this is going to be it's a full wig, and some people don't like full wigs. They don't like that the way it comes together in the scalp. So if you don't like that, you may not like the wig. Other than that, I don't have really that many cons with this. I don't have any cons with this. It doesn't shed. The wig construction is made good. Like, you can fit it over your braids if you have a bigger head, because my braids are old and they are not down secure at all. And the wig fit not only good over my braids, but it fit over my head. I consider myself having a big head, so it fits that. Now, I guess a con for some people would be it doesn't have combs. But as usual, I did go in and put in a couple of bobby pins. Now, the first bobby pin I put in was strategic. It doesn't come with a parting area, because this is not a lace front wig. So if you don't like lace, that's great. This will be great for you if you don't like lace. So what I did was I decided where I wanted to put my part at in this, and then I put my bobby pin right here so that it would keep that hair to lay down. And I'm just gonna let you peek in there and see kind of how I did that. So that took care of that side. Then I came on this side and I put a bobby pin. Usually I put bobby pins around the bottom if it doesn't lay flat back here when I put the spray on there. I didn't this time. Now, if I was to wear it, I probably would just put a bobby pin on each side just to kind of nail it down or lay it down in the back, since it's not fitting real tight. Or you could adjust the straps to make the straps go in more so that it will fit a little bit tighter. So love the color. The color is not too bright. It's not too dull. you can wear it to work. It is a business friendly color. So I do like that. I like the way the ombre is. See how it comes black? It's maybe like a number 2 and then it goes into this burgundy color. Really, really, really pretty. So it's not really much to say about this wig. It's just a quick review that I wanted to show you guys. An option for fall that was a shorter style. I'm not sure if I've done any short styles yet, so I just wanted to do a short style. But I think this is really, really cute. So all in all, I like the unit. I think it's a cute wig, and again, it has versatile styling options, even though it's a full wig. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. And if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, please do not forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.